Hi guys, this is just a tutorial for my sister, don't worry. So she says that something for her doesn't work. So I'm going to try to make a tutorial on how to do it. Now, first what you need to do is click Screen Recorder, launch the free recorder, or download it. If it doesn't work, and then or will pop it out straight away, or you could go away. You could go over somewhere here. Somewhere in the desktop, desktop, and then you could find it. Then you click it. Then you could even, if you don't know how to talk on it, basically all you need to do is click the microphone, click default or how much you want it, or what microphone you want it, and then at the bottom, there's a record button in the corner. You click that, and then you can talk in your videos. I hope this helped you, sis, and I will see you guys next time on the onto the I forgot the name. Oh, off the roadway. Bye.